I'm here with my mate, Zeb. So say hi to everyone, Zeb.
Hi.
So, we have just started our first rock climbing today.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Scary.
Scared. So that's some of the emotions we can feel when we're tackling something new. And is it quite high?
No.
No, so not too high. What's the thing that's scaring you the most?
Drop down.
Drop down. Yeah, that can be quite challenging. I did hear you say a few times, I can't do it, right? You said that a few times, right? So what word did we use to change how
Yet.
we're speaking? That's right, yet. So maybe I can't do it
Yes.
yet. So we're gonna have another try and we're gonna go step by step. We're not looking to do all of it, are we? No. Just one bit at a time and gradually get a little bit higher and feel more comfortable, right? Do you reckon we can do it?
Yes.
All right, Zeb, tell us, what have we been doing?
Yellow.
Yellow. We've been doing the 5+, is it? And you've been going really well. We've been counting how many footholds, right? Just for your feet. You started off, what was your first number for footholds?
11.
11 holds. And then you said, I can do it. And then you went to 13.
13.
And now,
And
which
now-
one are you aiming for? What's your goal?
18.
18. So we're gonna hop out there in a second. We're gonna give it another try. Let's do it.